Mitrom and Bandhvom, welcome to South Asia Maps, your education channel. We are continuing our fascinating journey on Punjab series. That is British Punjab, 7 divisions, 36 districts. This is the Jalandhar Division, the 7th, this is the part 6, Jalandhar Division. This is the, Jalandhar Division. And we look at this in detail, and I have made certain modifications to take up for brevity and clarity so that the audience can get the basic concept very easily. In Punjab series, your articulate presenter Dr. Reddy will bring the depth of knowledge of the fascinating Punjab. And you are aware that we have nearly 370 videos at South Asia Maps, our education channel, and varied diverse topics. These are made with meticulous care for you to listen and enjoy and learn if you are a knowledge seeker. And I also made them into round about 32 or so playlists, and you can choose appropriate playlist of your choice from geography, global systems, populations, the rivers, the battles, the history, and the districts, and Bombay Presidency, Madras Presidency, and central provinces, Bearer, and so on. You can go and look at it, and you can also find me at Twitter, that is India Maps 2, posting there once a while for the audience. And this is the British Punjab, the 7 divisions, 6 divisions actually, we made it 7 for clarity. These are what is the precursor state? Precursor state means British Punjab was assembled round about 1849 by Dalhousie after annexing the Maharaja Dalip Singh's territories by the Treaty of Lahore II. And these are the various lands, the precursors, that eventually contributed to the formation of British Punjab province. British has a presidencies and provinces, residencies, agencies, and I talked it somewhere else, you can look at it. The important thing is the Khalsa Sarkar's territory formed the main fulcrum, and Pulkian states like Naba, Patiala, Jind, and so on, the Pahadi speaking states in the Himachali region, and Hill Rajas and Cis Sutlej territories south of Sutlej river. Cis means south, as we are moving from Delhi. This is before hitting Sutlej, Cis Sutlej. After you cross Sutlej from enter into like Jallandhar and so on, Jallandhar Doab, that is a trans-Sutlej region. And that is then it has it got territories from northwestern province, that is essentially later called United Province of Agra and Oudh, or later United Provinces, now is called Uttar Pradesh. And the treaty, that is the treaty between the British British Raj and Afghania, and that also got them lot of territories in the Durand Line, Durand Treaty. That is some of the precursors we are talking about. And these are the 7 the divisions. That is sorry, we got the wrong one. Bahawalpur, we finished. Jalandhar, we are talking about Jalandhar Division. So this is the one. And the Jalandhar Division, so this is the pinkish part is the Jalandhar. Of course, this is the Lahore, and Lahore has almost a similar number of momins and Kafirs. That is the partition criteria. And the Rawalpindi division and Multan division has more momins there. This is the princely state of Bahawalpur. The Khyber division later elevated to Sarhad Suba, that is the Khyber province, northwest frontier province. And the district we saw before, that is the southern part, Firozpur district and Ludhiana district. These are south of Sutlej river. Firozpur district and Ludhiana district, and of course the north of Sutlej in the Doab region, you have the Jalandhar district and Hoshiyarput district. Further north we have the Kangra district, a very big district, Kangri speaking, Pahadi speaking area. It has a Lahul, here is not Lahul area, it has Spiti area. This also has a Kulu area, is a very, very big district. Coming to The brief historical division: Hindu-Buddhist cultures, pre-Islamic civilizations, Shahiya Pathan or Pashtun Maharajas ruled that area, Gandhara region, the Islamic invasions by Ghaznavis and Ghurid, finally Mamluks, Mughals and Afghan Duranis, and the death of Mughal ruler Ghazi Padshah Aurangzeb at Ahmednagar region of the Balghat region of the Desh territory in Deccan, Maharashtra, made the Mughal Empire collapse practically. Then the Marathas conquered a lot of areas. They had a very big empire that called reconquest of Bharat from Kattak on Gangasagar, that is in Utkal Kalinga today, to Attak on Sindhu Sagar, that is a Potwar plateau near Rawalpindi. And that is but later they got defeated by the Duranis from Afghania, Panipat Battle 3, 1761 January winter. Political vacuum, the missile, small kingdoms of the Sikhs, and there were many and more than a dozen, and later Ranjit Singh conquered most of them and built the Sikh Empire or Khalsa Empire. And then the political vacuum in the Gangetic Plains, mostly filled by the British from the Battle of Palasi and Battle of Buxar 1764, and the tidal bore finally swallowed the Khalsa kingdom. After the two wars, 1846, December 45-46 and 48-49 war, 49 war. Then the British ruled Punjab almost. Many of the modern events like partition of India and the consolidation of Sikhism, that is essentially Khalsaism, used to be a very broader religion, and the many implications are there. We will talk somewhere else. Then the Sikandar Hayat Khan and Khizar Hayat Khan were the premiers when the British introduced reforms, 1935. And Sikandar Hayat Khan, very prominent leader, unionist, political party that has the Muslims and Sikhs and Hindus also, like from Haryana region, Chotaram, and all those regions. After his premature death in 1942 December, Jinnah started rising. Khizar Hayat Khan, the successor, couldn't able to the control Jinnah and the large-scale rioting for the Jinnah followers, and the Radcliffe line, that is the Ravi line, the partition line, all those things, then resulted in Pashchim Punjab, that is the West Punjab, then the East Punjab. East Punjab later became bilingual Punjab, union of Pepso and all those things, and Haryana area, Himachal Pradesh area, Himachali area. So the famous important thing you have to keep in mind, most of the first Anglo-Sikh wars were fought in this region. There are many, half a dozen battles. For Battle of Aliwal, Battle of Budwal were fought near Ludhiana region. These are the towns. First Anglo-Sikh war, that means 1890, December, January, February, March region. Then the Battle of Firozpur, Battle of Mudki were fought in the Firozpur district. And of course the Battle of Sobran was fought in the Amritsar area, Taran district. That is actually in the Barido. Battle of Sobran, near Taran area. That is the Ajnala, Amritsar, those areas. This is about this region, and we can go and look at this fascinating region in the... And Mitram, before that, I have made many presentations on Punjab, the rivers, the Doabs, that is the interflow regions where the two rivers enclose, inter-river. And the important thing that you can look in the playlist like Punjab geography or rivers, you will find them. But here the important landmarks like Ataran Hazari and Jang, Ahmad Pursial, Alipur, Uch Sharif, Panj Nadi, Mitankot. You have to be very familiar if you want to learn more about Punjab. So I won't go into detail. You can stop this and look at it. I will just briefly mention, because this is a different topic. I talked nearly 30-40 minutes somewhere else. So the Sutlej river is the very important. Then the Chenab river is also very important. Both of them join at a place called Alipur or Uch Sharif here. They form the Panj Nadi. This Panj Nadi that gathers all the 5 major rivers before joins Sindhu Nadi, that is Indus river, at Kot Mittan, that is Mittan Kot. Excuse me. The Bias river joins Sutlej at a place called, it enters in Mirtal at a place called Harikepattan. The Harikepattan somewhere here. the Bias River, the Harikapatan in the Amritsar area. Other important thing is here for the Potwar region, Rawalpindi district, Attock district, I put it. And the important thing that is Chenab river gathers Jhelum river from the north, and it gathers Ravi river in the south. Jhelum river is gathered at Attaran Hazari or Jang district, Jang area, Emerson barrage, based upon the British governor of Punjab, Emerson barrage. Ravi river water is carried at Ahmadpur Sial. Excuse me, Mitravan Bandhu. Remember Ravi, Sial, Ahmadpur Sial town, that is Attaran Hazari and Ahmadpur Sial, Alipur. These are some of the landmarks, and you can look at it. This is the major important treaty. First, the Treaty of Amritsar 1809, and I talked all the 5 treaties elsewhere. You can look at it. And this is the what we are looking here is the Squatchburg Atlas. This is the Sutlej River, princely state of Bahawalpur. We put it as a division for you. The Ludhiana state, that's the essentially Firozpur region here, the Firozpur district here, right, Firozpur, then the Ludhiana, south of Sutlej, then the Firozpur and Ludhiana. If you cross the Sutlej, you get a Jalandhar. There is a Bist to Doab or Bist to Jallandhar do. There's the Bias river in the north, the Sutlej river in the north, Bist to do. And in the Doab region, and there's also Hoshiyarput district also, Hoshiyarput, Rashia, and all those areas. Then you cross it into, you have Kangra district, Kangra, you have Lahul and Spiti, Kulu and all those areas, and this is the region we are talking about. This is the Firozpur region, and this is the Firozpur region. Hold on. Sorry, this is the Rajputana. This is the Firozpur, because this is the Ludhiana, Firozpur, and Jalandhar, Firozpur, Ludhiana, Jalandhar. Then we got the Hoshiyarput. This is the bigger Kangra district, that is the Lahul, Spiti, Kulu and all those areas. And so the British has 3 cantonments. Their army was positioned as Maharaja Ranjit Singh became stronger and stronger, and British become the strong in the rest of area south of Sutlej. They had 3 cantonment towns. One is at Ambala. You will see Ambala somewhere across the river, Yamuna river, Jagadri, Ambala near Yamuna river, this somewhere here, Ambala should be there. And then they had one more cantonment at Ludhiana. There are other cantonment at Firozpur. You see, these are all across Sutlej or close to Sutlej. Ambala district at one time has a Roopnagar also in its area. So as the war broke down, the first war was fought, that's why in this region. 6 cross. British were actually waiting for the 6 to make the first move. As the Sikh kingdom entered into anarchy, there was no strong leader after the demise of Maharaja Ranjit Singh, 1839 June in the summer, and the Sikh army became unruly and crossed it and fought it, and British army moved in. Even the Governor General first, Hardinge, and the Commander-in-Chief, who all they came, they made that was one of the major toughest battles British East India Company Bahadur fought in South Asia with the Sikh kingdom. Even though Sikhs were leaderless, still they gave a very tough battle, as Ranjit Singh survived, and they should have not able to conquer the kingdom, and there should have not been any partition, and many things should have happened, because if Ranjit Singh survived just more than few, like 5, 6, even 10 years, these things should have not happened anyway. That is this is the fascinating region. I will show you different perspective. Where are we? We are looking, this is the Ganga river, this is Yamuna river, Delhi Ridge, Aravallis, Gurshikar, Abu Hill. So this is the Sutlej river. This is the Sutlej river, this is the Bakra Nangal Dam, this is the Bias Dam near Talwara, that is in the Hoshiyarput district, that is across there Gobipur and all those areas. So this is the Bist to Doab. Firozpur will be somewhere here. Remember, this is the Sutlej This is the Yamuna. Crossing the Yamuna, Shahranpur will be Jagadri, Ambala will be somewhere here, then the Ludhiana will be here, and Firozpur will be here. The first Anglo-Sikh war fought here. Firozpur and Ludhiana district. Then we have, of course, the Jalandhar district and Hoshiyarput district in the Doab region. Jalandhar district, Hoshiyarput district. You cross it. This is the Bias river. This is the Kangra district. You can see the Kulu Valley here, fascinating Kulu Valley here, and all those regions. We are looking about this region today. And you can look at this district is in the different perspective, Mitravan Bandhum, and we are looking about the one of the 7 divisions. This is the Firozpur district. This is the Ludhiana district. This is the Jalandhar district. Of course, this is the Princess State of Kapurthala and the exclave of Kapurthala here, Sultanpur Lodi, and this is the Hoshiyarpur district here, and this is the Kangra district, a very big district. Kangra district touched the Tibet region of Central Asia. That was an independent country. That was not under Ming's control. Only after the communist takeover, 1950s, they annexed to that People's Republic of China. So that is the region we are talking about. And Mitram and Bandhuvam, thank you very much for joining me today. And if you like these presentations, Mitram and Bandhuvam, Firozpur division or Jalandhar division, and I really appreciate you take some time and subscribe the channel, and also bring it to the notice of your friends. I have posted meticulously made videos, and 15 minutes an average, and if you put the time you will learn a lot of information. And if you take interest and you want to learn Indology at very deep level from a person who studied it very intensively since 1977. And of course, if you can put certain comments, and that will be really very helpful of you, nice of you. And see you later, Mitram and Bandhuvam, in other presentations. This is South Asia Maps, your intellectual channel, education channel.